Hey, welcome back to my channel, and I just wanted to come on here and show you what my mentor got me. Check this out, you guys. I've been really wanting to get back in my watercolor, so we are gonna check this out. I already opened it and got all the supplies and checked it out, but I wanted to come on here and show you guys what this is and see what we can create with it. Let's go. So I'm opening it. I'm gonna put that down here. I'm gonna open it. Let's see. There's two books in here. One is the watercolor paper, which I already used one, so that's okay. It's the watercolor pad, which is quality watercolor paper. It is 11 by 9.5 inch, 140 pounds. That is in this kit. And then they have a watercolor and style technique book. That's that. And I think you can get this at Costco. It shows you styles, techniques, and all that. And then on this side there is 12 watercolor pencils. You might have to sharpen the watercolor pencils. They are watercolor pencils, not color pencils. And then there is watercolors that are watercolors. They're little tubes. They're 0.17 ounces. And there's Amazon Crimson, Burnt Umber, Cerulean, Cadmium Red, Cadmium Yellow, Ultramarine, Yellow Ochre, Payne's Gray, Burnt Sienna, Hooker's Green, and White. The white is Gochu or whatever it's called, and then it comes with a pad, which I already put my colors in because I was playing with it. But yeah, you can put your colors in here, and I've noticed on some of them are coming out. I don't know what's up with that, but you could use this or you can use it with your acrylic. It don't really matter. It comes with two pencils. I already sharpened one. I haven't really drawn with it yet. But it comes with two crappy brushes. I wouldn't not use these in your watercolor because they're just ew. They're crappy quality. And just ew. No thank you. That's the only downside to that. And then it did come with one good brush. Where'd it go? It came with this number. It don't have a number on it, but it did come with this number. Whatever this is. But I wanted to come on here and show you guys this kit that I got, and hopefully I'll be painting something out of this soon. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up.